Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. First up, as you can see here, we have the Discover section. Now in here, you just gotta browse through the musics and genre, okay, and pick whatever music or sound effects that you like. Let's say, for example, we have here music for ads, promos, and trailers. Okay, you can just click on it. For example, a badass reel right here, click on it. And if you want to play or preview some music, just click on play right here. All right, and once done, go ahead and click on the download button if you like it. Or you can go ahead and create your own version using this music. Find similar music just like this one, favorite it or like it if you want to, copy the link if you want to, or add it to your playlist so you can just easily download it later, okay? It will be landed right here under your playlist. You have the download section right here. If you want to re-download things, you can download it from here. So going back, just download the music that you want from here. For example, this one. If you want to download the full mix, go to select full mix right here in the file format. Now, if you just want to download the melody or the instruments alone, the bass alone, or the drums alone, you can go ahead and do that as well. Or if you want a specific segment of the music, you can just gotta use this frame right here, okay? And it will capture the segment that you wanted to use. And then just click on download. And then once it's downloaded, you can now then go ahead and move it to your editing software, edit it, publish it however you want, okay? You have the AI assistant here as well. So for example, I have this prompt where I added, my video is about fireflies, a scenic view of mountain with me having a happy face all the time. Now this one, or these results have been given to me by the AI assistant of Epidemic Sound, which is pretty good. You can go ahead and click on play right here. The AI right here will give you a ton of options. You can go ahead and click on play, and if you're happy with one, you can just go ahead and download it. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about Epidemic Sound Studio right here. As you can see here, it looks similar to CapCut. You can drag and drop your video right here so that you could add it to your timeline. Okay, so just click on the plus sign. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in just this video right here. And then you could describe your project. For example, this is a tutorial for Epidemic Sound. Create soundtrack. It will then upload and get the best musics and sound effects for you. Okay. Just wait for it to load or wait for the process to finish. You can go ahead and click on notify me right here if you're doing something. Just click on allow. Now go ahead and go back. Now in the future, you can go ahead and add music right here directly. Okay, this one right here is just a beta. But in the future, you'll have music right here. You can add one from their catalog, sound effects. The assistant is coming as well, and voices. Okay, so basically all you got to do is just drag and drop. And then after that, click on play. And if you're happy with that, you can import it to your platform, such as YouTube, TikTok, or whatever. But before that, okay, by the way, before you upload on your social media channels, make sure that you go ahead and click on your profile, click on account. Now go ahead over to save list and make sure that you connect your YouTube or even TikTok. Let's say you wanted to upload videos using a Epidemic Sound music. Make sure that your YouTube account is connected in here, okay? So that you won't get copyrights. And do make sure before you upload the video with the music of Epidemic Sound, you got a subscription. Now to subscribe, just click on your profile, go to pricing, and then subscribe from here, okay? Now if you want to try it for 30 days, again, click on the link in the description or the pinned comments, create an account using it. And then in here under pricing, you can select a pro right here. Okay, so you'll have a ton of options. Click on subscribe, and once done, you should be good to go. Now, lastly here, before I forget it, go ahead over to voices. Now under voices, you can go ahead and create a voiceover. Click on it. For example, your text would be subscribe for more tutorials. You can choose the voice from here. For example, I'd like to choose Damon. You can hit on play right here to preview the voice. Hey, I'm from Pomona, California. Okay, if you're happy with that, select it and then choose the language. You can add pauses if you want to. If not, just write down the dot, then create voiceover. Accept. Now it will minus your credits right here. Now, if you're using our free trial, you can go ahead and get up to 250,000 credits. Now, if you're just using the free version of Epidemic Sound, well, unfortunately, you'll only have 5,000 credits. Okay, so go ahead and grab the chance to use our link in the description or pinned comments. Now, let's go ahead and listen.
Subscribe for more tutorials. Love you.
If you're happy with it, just download it. Okay, that is how you use Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.